Hey everyone, how's it going? Today, we're diving into the world of Best 5 VR Shinecon, an affordable virtual reality headset that brings your movies, games, and experiences to life. Imagine escaping into breathtaking 3D worlds, battling through intense games, or watching your favorite movies like never before, all from the comfort of your home. In this video, we will explore its features, benefits, and frequently asked questions to help you decide if it's the right choice for you.
Number 1.
VR Shinecon G04EA. This VR headset is designed for immersive gaming, 3D movie watching, and virtual reality experiences. Users can explore VR apps, interactive environments, and 360-degree videos on compatible smartphones. Setting up the VR Shinecon 6.0 is simple. Insert your smartphone into the front compartment. Adjust the head straps for a secure fit. Use the remote control to navigate apps and settings. Adjust the focus and pupil distance for the best viewing experience. Feel every sound with immersive 3D audio. And with the hidden microphone, you can answer calls without breaking your adventure. The VR Shinecon 6.0 is designed with user comfort in mind. The breathable foam padding, lightweight design, and adjustable straps minimize strain, allowing extended usage. This headset is compatible with most iOS and Android smartphones, with screen sizes ranging from 4.7 to 6.53 inches. Ensure your device has gyroscope support for the best VR experience. With the included Bluetooth remote control, you can navigate VR games and experiences effortlessly. There are several free and paid VR games available on app stores that work perfectly with this headset. The Bluetooth remote connects to your smartphone, allowing you to control menus, play, pause media, and interact with games without removing the headset. The adjustable pupil and focal distance ensure sharp visuals. Simply rotate the adjustment knobs on the side of the headset to achieve the best clarity for your eyesight. There are thousands of apps available on Google Play and the App Store for VR experiences, including YouTube VR, Google Cardboard, VR Cinema, VR Space Adventure, VR Horror Games. If you've ever dreamed of affordable, high-quality VR, this is your moment. Get your hands on the VR Shinecon G04EA today and experience the future now.
Number 2.
VR Shinecon G02EF. The top G02EF VR glasses. Virtual reality. IMAX HD 3D glasses. Google Cardboard box. Stereo. VR headset brings immersive experiences right to your smartphone. Insert your smartphone into the front compartment. Adjust the straps and focus settings for a comfortable fit. Launch a VR app from Google Play or the App Store. Enjoy an immersive 3D experience. The ergonomic design includes adjustable head straps and breathable padding to ensure maximum comfort, even during long gaming or movie sessions. The headset is compatible with most iOS and Android smartphones with screens between 4.7 to 6.5 inches. Ensure your phone has a gyroscope sensor for the best VR experience. The G02EF VR glasses support various VR games available for Google Cardboard. Simply download a compatible VR game and enjoy interactive gameplay. You can watch 360-degree videos on platforms like YouTube VR and dedicated VR apps for an immersive viewing experience. This headset features adjustable pupil and focal distance settings, allowing you to fine-tune the visuals to match your eyesight and minimize eye strain. Some popular VR apps that work with the top G02EF VR glasses include Google Cardboard, YouTube VR, VR Theater for Cardboard, VR Space Adventure, VR Roller Coaster. The top G02EF VR glasses. Virtual reality IMAX HD 3D glasses is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to experience virtual reality without spending a fortune.
Number 3.
VR Shinecon G06E. With the VR Shinecon G06E, your smartphone transforms into a gateway to breathtaking virtual adventures. Experience stunning visuals with high-definition optical resin lenses, adjustable for the perfect view. Say goodbye to eye strain and hello to endless excitement. Soft cushioning, adjustable straps, and a lightweight build mean you can enjoy extended VR sessions without discomfort. Lose yourself in VR, not in discomfort. Whether you're on iOS or Android, 4.7. 653, Shinecon G06E is ready to take you on a thrilling ride. Just ensure your phone has a gyroscope and you're set for adventure. You'll need a controller. While this headset delivers an immersive experience, interactive games require an external Bluetooth controller. But for movies, 360-degree videos, and non-interactive VR content, it's absolutely perfect. Want to explore virtual worlds without breaking the bank? The Shinecon G06E is your budget-friendly ticket to an unforgettable VR experience. Are you ready to step beyond reality? Get your Shinecon G06E today and start exploring.
Number 4.
VR Shinecon G06B. The VR Shinecon G06B is here to make that dream a reality. The advanced aspheric optical lens system ensures high-definition clarity and excellent light transmission, pulling you deeper into the virtual world. With soft sponge, padding, a replaceable faceplate, and balanced weight distribution, you can game for hours without discomfort. Say goodbye to neck strain and hello to endless adventures. Whether you're using an iOS or Android device, 4.7, 6.1, the secure phone holder keeps your device stable, so you stay fully immersed. With adjustable focal distance and IPD settings, you get a custom viewing experience, even if you wear glasses. Short-sighted? No problem. It supports up to 0 to 600 degrees for clear vision, with a 90 to 100 degree field of view and left-right 3D support. Experience depth and realism like never before. Feel the rush, hear the action, and live the experience. Are you ready to break free from reality? Get your VR Shinecon G06B today and step into a world of pure immersion.
Number 5.
VR Shinecon G05A. The VR Shinecon G05A is your gateway to breathtaking 3D movies, immersive gaming, and thrilling virtual tours. The adjustable pupil and focal distance ensure sharp visuals for everyone, even if you wear glasses. No more blurry screens, just pure immersion. Soft padding, an adjustable head strap, and a lightweight build lets you explore for hours without discomfort. Say goodbye to neck strain and hello to endless adventures. Supporting smartphones from 4.7 to 6, the G05A is your perfect VR companion. Whether you're on Android or iPhone, the virtual world is now at your fingertips. With a wide field of view, every scene feels larger than life. Easily adjust the focal length, FD, and pupil distance, PD, with separate buttons to get the sharpest, most immersive view tailored to your eyes. With high-definition resin optical lenses, super soft foam padding, and an adjustable elastic strap, you'll enjoy long gaming or movie sessions without discomfort. No more pressure on your nose, just pure VR magic. Made from durable ABS material, this headset is small, compact, and easy to carry, making it perfect for VR on the go. Accessories shown in pictures are for display purposes only and are not included. Make sure to check the size before ordering to get the perfect fit. Are you ready to experience virtual reality like never before? Grab your VR Shinecon G05A today and step into a world of limitless possibilities. Which one is the best? The VR Shinecon G02EF stands out as the top option due to its built-in headphones, adjustable pupil and object distance, and support for users with myopia. It provides a more immersive experience with enhanced audio and comfortable wearability. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, the VR Shinecon G06B offers great value with a similar FOV and lens adjustability at a lower price. The G04EA and G06E provide solid performance with wide compatibility, while the G05A details are less available. Ultimately, the best choice depends on whether you prioritize premium features or affordability.